Welcome to El Moro Pigeon Show. I am your host, El Moro, and it's so early in the morning. See that? Well, we have to get up early in order to get all these birds, because today I am releasing my hens from a little far away, not too far, with all these birds from this guy, Jeff, my friend Jeff. And I have a lot of hens, so I gotta go get them. So, and I have to be quiet because everybody's sleeping. All right, guys, I see you then. All right, so we're in the car. This is my hens. I have them, and I have them. Right there, we're gonna have some fun today. All right, so I'm on my way to meet Jeff for the second day in a row. We're tossing, today I'm tossing my hens, and he's tossing the same birds because he's competing in a 150-mile race. I don't compete, but he's competing, so it's great for my birds to train with these birds, because these birds are the real athletes. My birds, we just do it as a business. I train them, but not as often as he trained his birds. And by the way, he's got 3 of my birds, the dark ones, that he's competing. I gave him Del Boy Jensen mixed with Black Diamond, and another 2 Black Diamonds mixed with the Sticklebout. And no, these guys are mixed with the Sticklebout and Van Loom. It's Van Loom, Sticklebout, pure Black Diamond. And he's exercising them, and he's going to raise them, and the birds are doing really good. So I'm happy about that. So today I'm releasing the hens. Yesterday I released the cocks. Today I'm releasing the hens. And this bunch right here, I got a lot more than this group, than the cocks. And this group is kind of crazy because I have a lot of youngsters, and I have some cocks there that I haven't been able to separate them yet because they play hen, and they're so young. It's hard to tell, and I have so many of them. But I see if I can get them today. So they mix in that group. I think I have 2 cocks in there. They know how to hide pretty well. But anyway, I'm removing the eggs and putting some plastic eggs anyway. Okay, so I'll see y'all when I get there. Okay, so here we are. Oh, it looks like I beat him here today. Yeah, he's not here yet, which is okay. There's a lake with the alligator. It's a beautiful blue sky today. Oh no, he's there? Let me see. No, he's not here yet. You know what? Let me park facing that way, because yesterday they beat me home. And I'm going to try to get out of here as soon as I release them, because I really don't want them to beat me home. Today, this is over here, this is called Butler Park. Butler Park. There's a hawk over there that I saw yesterday. And Jeff should be here any moment. All right, so here's Jeff. Just came in. So, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Hey, gators?
I'm sure they're there.
Oh, yeah, they're there.
Yeah. Oh, you got only your birds this morning?
No, I got everybody.
Oh, you got Umberto's too? Okay. You don't want to let it still, you don't want to let them all together?
He does.
Alright. Alright. Well, we got all these birds here today. Lots of birds. Lots of birds. I brought about 47 today.
Okay.
These are my hens. They like, it's a crazy bunch. And I gotta give me some of these crates.
They're on Amazon.
Yeah.
That one's more expensive. That's an older one. It's yeah, these are reasonable. And the only thing I did to modify them so they can drink out of them is I cut. There used to be a.
Oh.
So I cut the holes. So.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, to get him used to drink. Let me see if I can help you. Let me put the camera here.
These
yeah, I got it.
Yep.
And so here we are still. I have that other video on private because I still have to arrange and all that, you know. But I'm going to release it today. We're going to have part 1 and part 2. Where's going to be the next toss from? How far?
Somewhere up in Venice.
Good. Nice. You want to do it from the beach?
No, it won't be. There's a park up there, Wellfield Park.
Okay.
I think that's what it's called. My grandson plays soccer there, so I take him there. And
Okay.
come on, guys.
It's a nice park, no cables, no nothing.
Nope. Come on, guys.
Beautiful.
Come on.
That's a good system, man.
Yeah, how about these dollar store for $1.25?
Yeah, that's a good system. These guys can drink. They don't have
Nah.
Oh, it's right there, man.
Come on.
Not that far. When you be doing Venice?
I don't want to train this week. I know we're not training tomorrow. There'll be a lot of bird traffic this coming weekend.
Yeah.
So I'll probably, maybe Sunday at the earliest.
Okay.
Okay.
Sunday good for me.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we're going to turn this off and wait. We always give them about 15 minutes before we release them. Okay, so here we're getting ready to release, and right after I have to go because the thing is that these birds, 1 second, sir, I have to get these birds. They went so fast that they got there before me, and I don't want them to beat me there. Are you ready? All right, go. Okay, here they are. We got more birds coming. Whoa, they're everywhere today. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, so today we have same about 200, close to 200 birds. They're doing good. Yep. Yep. Yeah, I better start heading back because they're already ahead of me. What are they doing, man? Are you seeing this, Jeff? Well, I don't know where the heck they're going. I don't know if we can see them there. There they are. And they're going in a different direction. They should have been heading back that way. Okay, birds. I got some birds. There they are all. And I got some of his dark birds here. Let me let out my buchon. See what he does. Okay, so the thief powder, his job is to get any bird he don't know and bring him down. Let's see if he does his job. I don't think he's gonna do it with these birds. I don't even think this bird's gonna go down. So that's my hands, and that's some of his birds right there. They actually got here almost at the same time. Well, let me open for them, if they want to come in. And the one in the pine tree. They're everywhere. Another thing that could happen is that bird can follow them. His name is Fantomas. He can follow them all the way back there to where they live. Look at him. Yeah, I'm not releasing any more cocks, just him. Oh man. Oh, they came back about the same time I did. I got here first, but as soon as I got out of the car, they were here. Look at that bird. It's trying to bring him down. Look at those two. Those are not even mine. There's those two birds flying really high, but they're not even ours. Because the thing is, there's a lot of traffic in the air now with birds because everybody is training their birds right now. Because the race is September. Yeah, there she goes. Our girl always goes in there first. Oh man. Oh, I think some of these birds want to go down. I just gotta let it happen because they have to learn. Now, if they want to come down to the loft, then I scared them off. You know, but there's nothing I can do in the pine tree. Yeah, they're gonna break away. Watch, those dog birds are gonna break away. See how they're going higher now? They're not gonna go on that pine tree. They're gonna break away and they're gonna go. That's my bird right there. That dark bird is mine. And that's not. They're everywhere. That's my dark bird right there. That's my chocolate bar. That's a Van Loom with a stick about. They're still here. My way of training is that in training, they got to experience everything. And they have to know how to break away from this and go back. You know, like the other birds. These other birds didn't come here. See, now we got a black bird in the pine tree there. We got one of his birds. Nope, she left. Good girl. Or good boy. You know, they have to experience. This is training. You know, it's like if you're gonna train a fighter and put him to fight people that he can beat easy. Okay, that truck was loud. Okay, so I was saying it's like training a fighter and training him with people that he can beat easy all the time. You know, when you put him in the ring with somebody that's, you know, got some mileage, he's gonna get knocked out. So these birds is the same. You know, you cannot make it easy for them. There they go. Fantomas is flying with them. They're about to break away, and Fantomas probably will follow them. Who knows? They got one bird following Fantomas there. Yeah, so where'd they go? See, they break away already. I don't see them. They broke away already. Oh, there they are. There they are. And where's my bird? Where'd my bird go? Oh, there he is. What's he doing? He flied. Okay, so you got about 7 of his birds flying, and one of my birds with them. And now they left. And there's my bird right there. That's Fantomas. I think he wants to follow them. That bird flies pretty far. Yeah, I told them my girls were crazy. Oh my gosh, they're still here. Fantomas is bringing them. But like I say, you know, they got to experience everything. It happens now, so it won't happen in the real race. See, he's trying to bring him in the pine tree first. Come on, guys, get out. Go. Yeah. No, they didn't. Good. Okay, one did. There's one of his birds there. I can't do nothing about it. As soon as he goes down, I'll scare him off. Yeah, it's right there. It's in the pine tree. And the other ones broke away, I think. What is that? Oh, that's a mockingbird. Okay. I think the other ones left already, broke away. Good. And now I have to go do my thing. Where are you going? All right. All right, I gotta go bring. See that bird right there? Watch. That's his bird right there. Shh. All right, well, I gotta go in. He'll live. He'll leave. I gotta go in. And I have to bring my boxes in and clean and all that. And clean my wife's car because it's dirty. It's so full of pigeon poo-poo. Don't tell her. So that's one of his birds here. And the thief powder brought it down. See it right there? That's his job to bring him down. That's the thief powder. See now what the thief powder is doing, he's trying to bring her in his coop. See that? But what I'm gonna do now is gonna lock him up and I'm gonna shoot this bird. Hey, shut! Get out of here! Shit! Shit! Okay, give me a minute here. I got something that I use that they always get scared of. I got this right here. And watch this. Watch this. Get out! There she goes. Get! There she goes. Hopefully she go back. Where'd it go? So that's one of his birds that stayed here. The thief powder. See? I'll put in. She was just attracted to a thief powder. Now she's out of here. Because I locked him up. Now if he would have been loose, he would have go out and get her. And bring her back. All right, good job, Fantomas. And good job for that bird too. She left. Very good. Okay, guys. Believe it or not, it is right now 1:45 in the afternoon. Okay, I've been dealing with the birds all day. This is what happened. A couple of his birds stayed here. They don't want to leave. I think one bird, he says, is not his. But here's the catch, man. I gave him a black diamond bird mixed with Dilbar and Jensen. Okay, the hen is Dilbar Jensen, and the cock is that bird want to come in. That bird want to come in. Let me move, man. Let me move because I don't know if there's a hawk around. Okay, so and the cock is black diamond. Okay, bum. So here's what happened. All right, let me put this right here. All right. So here's what happened. I gave him that bird when it was in the nest, about 1 month and a half. 1 month and a half. He had just started to eat by himself. So I gave it to him. Took him to his loft. He's been exercising that bird, you know, everywhere, flying him everywhere. Okay, so now I release my birds, my whites with these birds. Yesterday, I released the hens. So the hens, they come over here. They brought 6 of his birds. 6 of his birds went back. Okay, today, no, that was the cocks first. I'm sorry, the cocks first. I released the cocks. So now today, I released the hens. All right? So the hens bring the smoke over here. The smoke came, and a lot of them, was about 7 birds, but they all left. So there's one blue checker white flight that stayed, and he says that that's not his bird. So I got to call the AU and give it to whoever the rightful owner is. I don't keep birds. And I'm trying to catch them in now because this bird they refuse to leave, man. Look, hawks have come by. They fly, they come in. They fly, they come in the pine tree. They refuse to leave. So this smoked bird, I gave it to him when it was like this, 1 month and a half. That bird does not want to leave this place. Look, he's flying with the birds. He don't want to leave. Wow. Okay, so You wrap your mind around that. Now, when I was in Cuba, I have a friend that has a friend that if his birds touched the loft floor, you couldn't stick them. All right? So now this bird, he don't want to go. Look, it's flying. Look. That's him right there. I don't know if you see him. Can you see? Can you see? That's him right there. All right. So listen. See, he's back in the barn through the other birds. Okay, just to clarify, these birds that are flying now at 1:45 in the afternoon is not the same birds. These are the cocks. What I released today was the hens. The hens came back really fast. They went in. They've been there for a long time. But the birds didn't want to leave, so I have to release the cocks. Maybe I can get them and give them to him, because I don't want those birds to stay there all night, because it seems like they refuse to leave, you know. So, yeah, maybe they all come back. Maybe they come down. I can trap them. And then from there, I call Jeff or the rightful owner of the other bird, and I give it to them. Okay, so out of all this, I ended up catching 2 birds that are not mine, like this bird right here. I usually give it to the rightful owner, but this bird's got no tag, no AU tag. It's got no number, so I'm going to give it to Jeff because I don't want dark birds. I want only white birds. The only black birds that I want are my black diamonds. I'm going to give it to him. She looks really good. My black powder ended up taking her in, you know. And then, watch what I got. Hey, guy. Watch what I got. I got a clinker. What they call in New York a clinker. In Spanish, we call him a sato. And I'm taking care of him because he looks like bad shape. He's got a lot of pox. You know, I know he's eating. So we're going to nurse him back to health and then give it back to the wild. Okay, so I'm going to end up the show right now. And we have another show coming. The next show, I believe, is going to be how to stick birds. Because, listen, all glory to the Most High. I'm not going to, you know, modesty aside, I'm good sticking birds, man. That's what I do. I'm good sticking birds. I mean, I feel like bad, like talking. I'm not talking about myself. It's just something I'm good doing. You know when you're good at something. If you're good in computers, you say, hey, I'm good in a computer. If you're good at painting, hey, so look, I'm good at sticking birds. Okay, so the next show, people are asking me, a lot of people ask me to do a show how to stick the birds, okay? It doesn't matter whether it's a homing pigeon, doesn't matter. Okay, my brothers and sisters? All right, so right now, I'm going to end up the show, and you have a blast